I'd love to show you this beautiful home. It's at the base of Black Mountain in Cave Creek, Arizona. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus den, 1780 square feet in Cave Creek, walkable to town. Check out the chef's kitchen with a granite island, raised panel cabinets, gas stove, and under cabinet lighting. You've got a great corner lot for your backyard with only one neighbor. The community amenities are also quite amazing here. There's a swimming pool and spa that are heated all year round, fitness center, and then a game room that you can use at your leisure or also rent out for parties.